Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have a special Happy Mail. Well, it was actually a swap that I did with Alease, who is Leasey46 here on YouTube. It was an egg carton swap that we chose to do, and it was so fun, and something really happened that made me upset. I did a video showing me opening everything, and then I played it back, and I sounded like a monster. So it was upsetting because, you know, when you first do an opening, you sound a certain way, you're so happy, whatever, and I am still happy. It's just, it's not the first thing. So I apologize, Alease. It's just the video couldn't be played because I sounded like a monster through the whole thing. But I'm so super excited, and I want to show y'all everything that she sent me. And first I want to start out with this beautiful card she made for me. And it has bees all over it, and it's this little lady, and she's a vintage style, and she's holding a beehive, and she has these basket full of honey, and then she had this little bee that's popped up, and this bee's just buzzing around with sunflowers on her dress, and it is gorgeous. I love it, Alease. It is so cute. And then she did the inside even, and it's cute. It says, Gigi, as sweet as honey to the bee is kindness shown from you to me. Hugs, Alease. Isn't that sweet? Oh. And then here's the back, and she signed it. So stinking cute. I love it. So there was that. Oops, one of my eggs is rolling off. And then, let's see, where do we go? I had opened, and there was these beautiful earrings. I absolutely love them. They are beautiful. So I'm going to wear these because these are spring-like, and oh, they're so pretty. Thank you, Alease. Next, let's see. This egg right here. She sent me this beautiful egg. I'm going to hang it up where I hang my cards. I'm going to put a little tack in it and hang it. It is so beautiful. It has the image on both sides of the rabbit, and there's a daffodil, and I'm not sure what that's called. But so pretty with the gingham and then the pink ribbon. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Alease. So pretty. And then there's these 3 little eggs here. They are so cute. And then she put some stuff on each one of them. So this one, you pop it open. Sorry about that. Pop it open, and then there's some gross grain ribbon in green. And she put a lot in there. Thank you, Alease. And then in this blue one, there's blue. And then in the yellow one, there's pink, my favorite color. Thank you so much, Alease, for sharing. I love it. So exciting. And then she gave me this little notebook right here, which Elizabeth the Crafty Cricket just sent me. She sent me one too, and it's so funny because I was looking for these and now I have 2, so I'm so excited. So it has these hearts on the side, which is so cute, and it says be positive on the notebook. See it right there? And then on the inside, I love the color of the pages. Can y'all see that right there? Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love it. Thank you for that. And then she sent this other notebook, and it's a bee notebook. And then on the inside, it has bees on the white pages, and it says Busy Bee. I love it. Thank you. So I use these for my, I journal for my therapy. So I really like these. Next, she sent this cute little container, and then inside there are a ton of gems. They are so sparkly and pretty, and they're in different sizes. Let me show you guys. I'll take some out. I don't want to spill them everywhere though. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? I love them. So sparkly and cute. And in so many different sizes. So they're going to go on all different kinds of projects. Love them. Thank you so much. Let's put that back together. And then next, there was this little bunny bag. And on the inside, there are 2 stamps that are adorable. There's this little girl carrying her Easter basket. It's like a silhouette. And then an Easter bunny. Aren't those cute? Thank you, Alease. I love them. And then there was this bag. Cute little polka dotted bag. And inside is this really cute small pom-pom trim in pink. I love it. It's going to go perfect on cards. I love this size. I don't have any in this size, so thank you so much. And she gave me a ton of it. Look. Thank you. And next, there was this cute little laminated envelope. It's Velcroed. And there are these cute goodies on the inside. Let me share. So there are these Dress It Up buttons that say Plant Your Dreams. And they have all these different flowers and leaves in them. So you just cut the buttons off the back and you can use them on your cards or any other project you want to use. So those are so pretty for summer and spring. And then she sent these beautiful mini flowers, cabochons. So pretty also. I love the colors. Thank you so much. And then these cute, cute, cute pink bunnies. Oh my gosh, I love them. So stinking cute. And then she sent me this adorable duck. I love it. Well, is it a duck or a chicken? A chick. It's a chick. It's not a duck. It's a chick. I'm so funny. Okay, so look, it's all fuzzy and it's ceramic. Oh my gosh, I can leave this out year round. I am so going to leave it out. Thank you, Alease. I love it. He is so cute. Or I can make her I can make it a her and put a bow on it. So cute. Oh my gosh, I can't even get my words right today. Okay, and then let me show you. So the egg carton was wrapped, and it had this on top, so stinking cute. And then it had this wrapped with the tissue paper. So I can reuse both of those. Let me scoot this stuff out so I can put, she used a huge egg carton. Mine was like a half egg carton. And hers is so beautiful, guys. Look. It says, "Be happy, sunshine." And she made this beautiful flower. I'm sure she hand stitched. And there's bees on it. And she did the egg carton in yellow. She painted it. And there's a sticker here. And then here's the back. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. I absolutely adore it. Okay, let's open it. You'll have to see. Look. Look at all that yumminess. Oh my goodness. So there's flowers in here. There's yellow flowers and pink flowers. There's pink and yellow eggs. Look at these eggs, guys. They're faux eggs. They are so cute. And then there's little bunnies in here also. It's funny, I sent her these same bunnies. So now I have some too. So there's bunnies in there, and then there's these cute little flowers. So there's this type of flower and this type of flower. Here's some more flowers. And then she sent me some chocolate, and I forgot, I had chocolate for her, and I forgot to put it in. But look, it's bee chocolate. And it's lint chocolate. Look at the bees. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it so, so much. I can't believe she found a bee chocolate. I love that you made it bee themed, Alease. You are such a sweetheart. And then look at this chick. I sent her some chicks too, and they were purple, and she sent me pink. Check out this chick though. This one made me so happy, y'all guys. Oh my gosh, this made my day. Oh gosh, this chick is hilarious. Oh, I love it. Alease, thank you so, so much. I loved swapping with you. I had a great time, and I loved doing it. So, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.